These are Java sparrows. They belong to my granddaughter Marzia Shakir. I bought them about 5 years back, but now Marzia doesn't have any much love for them, so I have been keeping them. They must be about 5 to 6 pair. This is the new cage I bought from Kurla. It cost 1500 rupees. The earlier cage was a good one. I got from Crawford Market. But then the boxes were outside, so I had to cut the grill. The wires. So these are boxes that are inside. I've got from Sweet Home Aquarium at Bandra. This my friend's shop. And these are calcium. They love water, so I keep refilling the water. But I got a lot of calcium because I get it from my friend Rakesh, who does fishing at near the ceiling. And they love coriander, hara dhania. They love bhutta. You see it inside. And today I've added grass. Normally for nesting I use coconut fiber because we have 2 coconut shops in Bandra Bazaar Road. But today I took this grass, put it into the nest. I don't think they like it. This is about it. And this cage is about 30 inches by 80. I clean it every day. I give them water twice a day. But I had a big problem actually. The earlier cage, somehow, because the wires were, were in bad shape. So the lizard used to enter inside. And so these birds were in great trauma and they stopped laying eggs. Because now at least I don't have the lizard problem as such. I have not seen any lizard. This is the entire, this is a balcony. This is my balcony. I first thought of making a ready-made cage over here. And it's called bhat. And this is the grass, which I cut today at Bandra Reclamation Ground. You can see the grass. But I don't think they like it. But otherwise I have no issue as such. The only problem was when I had the old cage, I had to leave Mumbai. So I had given a lady working in my house the custody of these birds, and I told her to feed them. But what happened, the boxes were outside and one of the rats made a hole in the box and about 12 Java birds he killed them and she didn't know about it. She used to see them dead and she used to throw out, but she never checked up the box. And when I came back, I had gone for a Sufi pilgrimage. I was walking from Delhi to Ajmer. So when I came back after 13-15 days, I was shocked that from 28 Java birds, I had about just 12 or 13 left. So this is it. This is the only thing. I have kept I had aquariums around here, big, huge aquariums. I used to keep flower horns, but I stopped. I used to go I was crazy about flower horns and ghost fish and all, black ghost or whatever you call it. I used to keep plants, I stopped that even. I don't have time, and now with my recent bypass surgery, it's very difficult. But one thing is there, that when I was in hospital for my bypass surgery, there's another lady working in my house who was taking care of the birds. She used to clean the cage and everything. And this is the cage. I keep a paper inside and I change it every day. And this is what they really need, is calcium. Other thing, and that bhutta, as I told you, and this is from here. I put the water from here. There are two of them. I put the water from here, and then there is this one is over here. But there's a big problem. Sometimes I forget to close because sometimes this gets stuck like this, and I forget. Then the birds fly out. And then my son Saif has a great problem trying to catch them. And though this is a limited area and restricted area, there is no problem as such. He manages to catch them, or the lady who works in my house catches them. So this is my hobby. It's not for money. I've never sold my birds to anybody. Now because the bird flew,